Hi everyone, I'm Maya, and this is my TED Talk presentation on bioplastics. My original topic was why do we need two eyes? Then, the day before to submit my topic, my mom showed me a video on bioplastics, and I was really interested because I knew nothing about this alternative plastic. When I researched bioplastics, I decided that I really wanted to do this topic for capstone. I also knew how much damage plastic waste is causing to our planet. As you can see in this picture, there's tons of plastic in the ocean. I chose this topic mostly because of the fact that plastics are taking over our lives and we need to change that. While I started to research more into bioplastics, I saw an article on biodegradable plastics. I thought both of these topics were interesting to study. By that time, I had to come up with my main inquiry question, so I came up with how do bioplastics and biodegradable plastics compare? I know everyone here may be thinking that they're the same thing. How many of you think that? Okay. Well, the answer to this first begins with understanding what bioplastics are. Bioplastics are made from renewable resources. They are mostly made from cornstarch, but they can also be made from sugarcane, wood chips, straw, food waste or scraps, vegetable oil, as well as many other materials. Biodegradable plastics are plastics, but are combined with an additive to make them degrade faster. According to Dr. Jeffrey Coates, a professor at Cornell University, who I interviewed, there is confusion between bioplastics and biodegradable plastics. They are sometimes used interchangeably. I like to think about it as bioplastics are bio-based, many of them are degradable. Biodegradable plastics may or may not be bio-based, but are degradable. It is also important to know that there are pros and cons to both bioplastics and biodegradable plastics. I am first going to talk about the pros of bioplastics. Bioplastics are made from renewable resources, which is why they are better for the environment. And also, bioplastic containers won't leach chemicals into the food, soil, and the water table like regular plastics do. And bioplastics do not add to the carbon footprint. A carbon footprint measures how much carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases humans produce through different activities. And then that carbon dioxide or greenhouse gas gets added to the atmosphere, which is not good since it causes global warming. Now I'm going to talk about the cons to bioplastics. One of the biggest cons is that now that bioplastics are being created, the corn is being used to create bioplastics, leaving less corn for food. Also, bioplastics should not be put into landfills, which means that if they do get put into landfills, they produce methane, a greenhouse gas more dangerous than carbon dioxide. Although bioplastics are not perfect, there are still many reasons to use them. Now let's move on to the pros of biodegradable plastics. One of the biggest pros is that biodegradable plastics are good for the environment because they degrade into the soil without harming it. Also, biodegradable plastics are degrade naturally by microorganisms. Lastly, biodegradable plastics do not add to the carbon footprint. Finally, I'm going to talk about the cons to biodegradable plastics. Biodegradable plastics are not made from renewable resources, and also the biodegradable plastics are more expensive to produce than traditional plastics, but these prices are coming down as technologies improve. Bioplastics and biodegradable plastics may one day replace regular plastics. Large international companies want to start using environment-friendly plastics. One of the companies that are already using them is the Coca-Cola Company. Their bottles are 30% plant-based. AT&T also makes bioplastic phones and phone accessories. And did you know that Trader Joe's is one step ahead than all the other grocery stores? Their produce bags are not only biodegradable, they're also biocompostable, meaning after they degrade, they become fertilizer. Next time you go to Trader Joe's, take a look closer at those bags. Those are only 3 examples, but there are more companies who plan to use these materials. While talking to Dr. Ann Blake, the second person I interviewed, who works tirelessly with governments to help define and label bio-based parts and products, I learned that it is very important to first have clear definitions of bioplastics and biodegradable plastics so that they are not used interchangeably. I hope that my presentation helped you understand both bioplastics and biodegradable plastics. For more information, go to my blog. Thank you.